Good Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and outside of this morning's rain showers, we got a nearly pleasant week coming up for the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area. This is a daily video forecast discussion for Tuesday, the 12th of April, 2016. Looking out your window this morning and outside, if you're heading outside early this morning in the pre-dawn hours, here we have generally cloudy skies and an area of light rain showers associated with a small disturbance ahead of this cold front, which is approaching central Pennsylvania this hour. This shower activity and rain, light rain, will be moving through the region early this morning into the afternoon, with then clearing skies from later afternoon right through tonight. Now, there's some chilly air behind the cold front, so we have some watches out for frost advisories here, freeze warnings here, and we'll get to those in a minute. This area of low pressure will then head northeast ahead and along, just ahead and along the cold front here, and the rain showers will be with us this morning. We've got mild temperatures in the 50s throughout all of the metropolitan area. Yesterday we saw temperatures in the mid and upper 60s with sunshine breaking out, so it was quite nice. The southerly winds this morning, they're a little gusty around the shore points here of Long Island Sound, and the rain is just about ready to get into the New York City metropolitan area as of this broadcast. Watches, warnings, and advisories. We have freeze watches out for interior northwestern New Jersey and parts of the Susquehanna River Valley in Pennsylvania. And these watches are in effect from late tonight through Wednesday morning. Temperatures around 30. Impacts subsiding, allowing temperatures to fall to freezing or sub-freezing levels. Sensitive plants could be damaged or destroyed if not protected or brought inside. And this would occur also for southern New Jersey's Vineland area as well, the interior agricultural areas of southern New Jersey as well. A freeze watch in effect from late tonight through 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. On the coastal waters, we have small craft advisories for all of the New Jersey coast, the Long Island, South Shore, and East Ends, and also the North Shore and South Shore of eastern Long Island until Tuesday afternoon, which is today. For the North Shore, for the South Shore and East Ends of Long Island until 6 a.m. on Wednesday, and for the New Jersey coastal waters in the back bays of the Delaware until 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning. Morning surface look here as the satellite imagery is coming up this morning. This is a visible satellite imagery. Plenty of clouds over the forecast region this morning, and we can see a little bit of lifting with that area of low pressure here across southeastern Pennsylvania and Virginia as it makes its way ahead and northeast of the cold front this morning. We can see bands of light rain, a little bit more moderate rain across the Poconos here and into central Pennsylvania. All of this sliding to the east and northeast over the next couple of hours. On the aviation weather deck for today, timing of the front approaching should reach the Allentown Reading area at around 7 a.m. this morning or 8 o'clock. Philadelphia, Trenton, Wilmington between that and around 10 or 11 this morning. Millville and Atlantic City probably toward noontime this afternoon. Along the pre-front, we have VFR with scattered MVFR and showers. Southerly winds mainly at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 25 knots, especially Atlantic City, where better mixing is taking place. The low-level jet in place, too. Low-level wind shear remains for all the sites this morning. There is mostly speed shear versus directional shear, as the low-level jet is also southerly. The arrival in postal front, mainly MVFR with the front, the VFR post front, winds becoming northwest mainly at 15 to 20 knots. In addition, the low-level jet and thus the low-level wind shear threat should diminish with the arrival of the front early this afternoon. Now for Wednesday, VFR, north to northeast winds at 10 to 15 knots, gust into the 20-knot range, especially around the coast. Wednesday night and Thursday, Wednesday night actually all the way through Saturday, VFR conditions, north to northeasterly winds at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 30 knots possible on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday afternoons in New Jersey and Delaware. Right now outside of Newark, it's pretty warm for this time of the day. 58 degrees, dew point 52, humidity 81%. The wind is south at 9. Some light rain in the vicinity. That light rain will be exiting this morning with a partly sunny sky and scattered to broken clouds during this afternoon with clearing skies overnight tonight. Now for Philadelphia, we're warm too, 61, dew point 51, humidity 70%. The wind is southwest at 14, gust to 22. Some light rain in the vicinity. And again, the story today will be the clearing skies later this afternoon, scattered to broken cloud cover around the region for tonight. The rain showers exit this morning. Alder. And over the next 5 days, everything's just going to continue to come out in the dry weather conditions. We're going to be on the high side to the very high side as we approach the later part of the week and into the weekend. Allergy medication, a must. Stormy day over the last 24 hours, especially in the south here from Oklahoma City south through Texas. So lots of flood watches and warnings out this morning along the lower Mississippi River Valley area down and through Louisiana as a result of some of that heavy rain that has moved through the region. And lots of hail and damage reports here across Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and also parts of Arkansas and northern Louisiana as well. Freeze warnings over the interior high plains, central plains here extending into the Ohio River Valley area. And of course, we have those freeze watches for interior northern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, and southern New Jersey as well through tomorrow morning. Forecast the charts from the Weather Prediction Center. Here comes the cold front exiting with the rain during this afternoon with a partly sunny sky returning to the forecast region. Then high pressure builds in for Wednesday and Thursday and into Friday across the region, but the winds are going to be coming out of the northeast as we head into the next several days, and that's going to mean a coastal influence of cooler air across the region. So we're going to get temperatures probably near to slightly above seasonal levels over the interior, cooler along the coast with the onshore flow and natural cooler atmosphere of the coastal water temperatures. And then we wait and see what's going to happen with this as we head into the weekend. But right now, it looks like most of the weekend is going to be dry with another series of storm systems in the polar jet entering the fray across the northwest and the interior mountain region as we head into Thursday. Due to the GFS maps into motion now, here comes the slightly cooler air with high pressure building in and northeasterly flow across the region on Thursday, as we can see from the isobars here bending in from off of southeastern Canada and Nova Scotia. And that high pressure is going to be in control right through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, moderating temperatures over the forecast period back to near or slightly above normal as we head into the weekend. And right now, the weekend looks like it's going to feature high pressure and control, an onshore flow, but beautifully dry weather. No storms really in sight until we head into the early part of next week, and even that is debatable whether we're going to get appreciable precipitation around here. It looks like everything is going to be high and dry into doing your forecasted temperatures for today in the mid to the upper 50s, lower 60s in central and southern New Jersey's Philadelphia metropolitan area, which is just about near normal for this time of the year. On Wednesday, things a little bit cooler, still near normal, though. Temperatures in the mid to the upper 50s, maybe around 60 in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Then on Thursday, temperatures rebound into the upper 50s to lower 60s across the region, which again is near normal to slightly above normal for this time of the year. Cooler along the shore points here, which is naturally expected at this time of the year. Temperatures on Friday again upper 50s to low 60s. Saturday it's going to feature warmer conditions with temperatures holding into the upper 50s to around 60 along the coast. Low to the mid 60s across the interior. Sunday's looking real good as well. Temperatures in the mid to the upper 60s. So it's going to be much warmer on Sunday with dry conditions in place, cooler right along the South Shore and east ends of Long Island and also the Jersey coast. And by the time we get to Monday, temperatures approaching 65 to 71 degrees. In fact, we could get into the lower 70s on Monday with nearly dry conditions and even temperatures reaching into the lower 60s right along the South Shore and east ends of Long Island and coastal New Jersey as well. So outside of the rain showers this morning, things are looking A-OK for the rest of the week. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a great Tuesday. We'll see you bright and early on Wednesday morning.